Hello, my name is Dustin Stearns, and this is my presentation for my research prospectus. I'm doing my research on the effects of a dietary supplement on driver swing speed for golfers 40 to 65 years of age. Introduction. Limited research exists examining the impact of nutrition on golfing performance. Studies are even more rare on golf performance for older golfers. Currently, nutritional guidelines center upon management of fluid and carbohydrate levels, but other demands found in golf present the need for additional nutritional concerns. When these factors are considered collectively, it makes intuitive sense that a nutritional formulation that can offer anaerobic performance and increase a golfer's focus and attention may impact performance. Creatine monohydrate is one of the most popular and effective dietary supplements due to its ability to improve strength, power, lean mass, and explosive performance. Hundreds of studies have been published on creatine's benefits. However, only one, to my knowledge, is available that has examined the impact of creatine supplementation on golfing performance. The problem with that study is the number of subjects, the age of the subjects, and the short supplementation period. It was 4 weeks long. Likely hindered the ability to uncover significant effects in some outcome measures, particularly since the participants were relatively young and healthy. Not enough research has been done on nutritional supplementation for golf performance. This study is to research the effects of creatine on golfers who are 40 to 65 years of age. The largest percentage of golfers is composed of men between the ages of 18 and 59, and seniors easily outnumber younger players. The average age of golfers in the U.S. is 54. The purpose of this study is to address the age and nutritional supplementation gap in research in golf performance. So my research question is, will supplementing with creatine monohydrate increase driver swing speed in older golfers? So my hypothesis is the use of creatine going to have a positive effect on swing speed for older golfers, and the null is there will be no effect on the swing speed with the use of creatine. Golf is an anaerobic sport. In the very pure sense, golf swing is a progressive generation of power. Consequently, the golf swing is considered to be largely anaerobic in nature. Creatine is one of the most popular and widely researched natural supplements. Supplementation with creatine has regularly shown to increase strength, fat-free mass, and muscle morphology with concurrent heavy resistant training more than resistant training alone. Creatine may be of benefit in other modes of exercise such as high-intensity sprints or endurance training. However, it appears that the effects of creatine diminish as the length of time spent exercising increases. Most research targeting optimal golf performance has relied on either collegiate or professional players. The reality is that many players are older and do not play at that elite level. Older adults exhibit more variability in their golf performance than do younger adults, and the decline in efficiency of older adults' golf swings can be attributed to loss of flexibility. Chronic supplementation with creatine monohydrate has shown to promote increase in total intramuscular creatine, phosphocreatine, skeletal muscle mass, lean body mass, and muscle fiber size. Furthermore, there is robust evidence that muscular strength and power will also increase after supplementing with creatine. However, it is not known that if the timing of creatine supplementation will affect the adaptive response to exercise. A number of clinical applications of creatine supplementation have been studied involving neurodegenerative diseases, muscular dystrophy, Parkinson's, Huntington's disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, fibromyalgia, aging, and brain and heart ischemia, adolescent depression, and pregnancy. These studies provide a large body of evidence that creatine can not only improve exercise performance, but can play a role in preventing and/or reducing the severity of injury, enhancing rehabilitation from injuries, and helping athletes tolerate heavy training loads. Additionally, researchers have identified a number of potential beneficial Clinical uses of creatine supplementation. These studies show that the short and long-term supplementation is safe and well tolerated in healthy individuals and in a number of patient populations ranging from infants to the elderly. Moreover, significant health benefits may be provided by ensuring habitual low dietary creatine ingestion throughout the lifespan. Methodology. The study will be completed as a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. Over a 60-day period, participants were assigned in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled fashion to ingest either a dietary supplement or a placebo. And in an identical fashion, 2 daily supplement or placebo doses were ingested during the first 2 weeks, and 1 daily dose was ingested for the final 6 weeks for 60 days total. Testing. 2 testing dates were confirmed. Day 1 of 60, driver swing speeds were measured using E6 software and flight scope for swing speed. Each participant did 10 swings at 100% effort, and the mean was used. After 60 days, both the control group and the placebo group were tested again to see if there was a difference in the supplemental group. Identical testing of day 1 was performed. Data collection. 42 healthy participants were gathered from the DC Metro golfing community. Personal information was obtained through an online participation survey through the Maryland Golf Association. Those who were chosen were contacted via email and agreed to participate in the study. G-Power created a sample of 42 broken into 2 groups of 21. This was a quantitative study design, measured 2 means, pre-intervention and post-intervention. Statistical analysis, a t-test was used, a priori, compute required sample size, and this is what the G-Power calculated. Ethical considerations. The IRB is filed for an approval on human subjects. Participants will be well enough to make their own informed decisions. No harm will be brought by ingesting the supplement or placebo, and it would be recommended to talk with the physician. And this is a list of my references. And that is it. Thank you very much.